सोशल साइंस है, चैप्टर 1 है अराइवल ऑफ यूरोपियंस इन इंडिया। आज मैं आपको इसके ब्रीफली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने, ये आपका रिवीजन चैप्टर है, ठीक है। एज कॉन्स्टेबल पिल at the hands of Turkish, they obstructed the land route to India owing to the efforts of the Portuguese. Prince Henry Vasco da Gama could reach Calicut, a part of India, by sea via Cape of Good Hope in 1498. Here, in a few years, they set up trading centers in Diu, Daman and Goa. They also put up a trading center on the banks of the Hooghly river in Bengal. But as a Mughal king come to know about their smuggling, he had destroyed the center and burnt their ships. Thus the Portuguese could settle down only at the west bank, learning that they had become prosperous. The Britishers came to India in 1608 and put up a trading center in Kolkata. Owing to their modest conduct, they could carry on their business for a longer time. With the passage of time, they could observe weaknesses of the Indian kings and started conspiracy to acquire power. In 1664, the French came to India. For business, there were great frictions between the Britishers and the French for trading quite frequently. Therefore, some small and some big battles were fought among them. The French could not be successful in overpowering the Britishers. Britishers, therefore, they had to win up their business. Along with the French, the Dutch from Holland also came for business in India. The intention was just to earn money and not getting settled down in India. Finally, the Britishers overpowered, dominated all. अभी नेक्स्ट है गिव रीजंस। नंबर 1 है द नेटिव रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ अमेरिका आर नोन एज रेड इंडियंस। आंसर है अमेरिका वॉज फाउंड आउट बाय एन Italian sailor Columbus. He had set out to find in India, but he happened to reach another region. He saw the color of the land red and the people like the Indians. Therefore, he took it for granted that he had sketched out India. This is the reason why he named the native residents Red Indians. Actually, the land that he found out was not India but America. Therefore, even till today, the native residents of America are known as Red Indians. Next, number 3, the rule of the Portuguese got limited for Diu, Daman and Goa. The Portuguese were known as Firangis in India. Along with business, they were also engaged in smuggling and piracy. Therefore, they were disliked by the Indians. The Mughal king Shah Jahan got a complaint against them, so he had their trade center of Hooghly destroyed and had their ships burnt. On one hand, Portugal had Therefore, the Portuguese could not extend their rule beyond Din, Daman and Goa. Next है क्वेश्चन रीजन 4 है आपका। The Dutch could not settle down in India for a long time. आंसर आएगा the only intention of the Dutch to carry out business in India. Therefore, they put up trade centers in Chennai, Pulicat and Agra in India. The direct competition was with the Britishers and the French. The Britishers were stronger than them. They started conspiracies against these, the Dutch could not succeed. Therefore, the Dutch could not settle down in India for a long time. Next, the Britishers were complete the abandon their trade center at Surat. In 1608, the captain of British ship Hawking and Sir Thomas Roe sought permission from the Mughal king Jahangir and set up a trade center in Surat. At that time, there great frictions were going on between the Mughals and the Marathas. Therefore, the Marathas invaded Surat, looted and created a great havoc. Therefore, the Britishers were compelled to abandon their trade center of Surat. Next, number 6. The Battle of Plassey is considered to be a decisive battle in the history of India. The rule of the Britishers commenced with the Battle of Plassey. In the Battle of Plassey, the Britishers could win treacherously and they got permission to collect revenues. This was the beginning of getting hold over Hindustan. Therefore, the Battle of Plassey is considered to be a decisive battle in the history of India. Next, 7 number in 1664, the French East India Company was set up. इसका आंसर आएगा फाइंडिंग द पोर्टुगीज, द डच एंड द ब्रिटिशर्स carrying out trade in the India. The French businessmen also got attracted to earn more wealth. Therefore, in India, 1661 they set up East India Company in France. Next, answer the following questions in briefly. What efforts did the Europeans take up to find out India? Answer आएगा the Europeans could not with the out things commodities from India. Therefore, as the land route was obstructed, they took up the following efforts to find out India. Bartholomew Dias proceeded on the route of South Africa but could not succeed. Christopher Columbus of Italy proceeded on the western route. Nobody believed that the earth was round and that the venture and found out the continent America. Vasco da Gama could succeed to reach India via Cape of Good Hope of Africa. Next, question number 2. The Britishers made conspiracy against Sirajuddaulah. Why? Answer आएगा the East India Company of the Britishers was allowed trading in Bengal. They had got tax relief in the trading, but the officers of the company started taking disadvantage of this tax relief for their personal trading. Therefore, the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaullah's army attached on the trade center of the Britishers. They impressed the Britishers. And seized their ships when Robert Clive, a British administrative head, realized that it was difficult to win against Sirajuddaulah directly, so he made a conspiracy against him and induced Mirzapur to their side and declared the Battle of Plassey. ये आपका क्या हो गया आंसर?